Hi everyone, I'm Esther from ESSYCOOKS, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious peanut satay dipping sauce. So this is the perfect thing if you're making a tofu satay. This is the sauce. This makes the dish taste so incredible, and it's pretty easy to whip up, and you can make it ahead of time, which I absolutely love for meal prep. So I use this sauce on anything else that you like as well because it is so delicious. I could drink it right out of the jar. So let's get started. I'm going to show you guys how to make this. So first we're going to combine half a cup of coconut milk and then a third cup of natural peanut butter. If you have smooth natural peanut butter, it's better because it'll be a little bit more textured if you have crunchy. I ended up blending it because of that. And then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of either soy sauce. You can put tamari if you're eating gluten-free. And then 1 to 2 tablespoons red Thai curry paste depending on how spicy you like it. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. 1 to 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. I like lots of ginger in mine. 1 whole minced clove of fresh garlic. And then next we're going to add in some lime juice, 1 tablespoon, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup for a little sweetness. Mix that together. You can even blend it if you're finding that it's not as smooth as you like, which is what I ended up doing. So it just needs to blend for a minute or two. If the sauce is too thick, just add water 1 tablespoon at a time. If it's too thin, you can add peanut butter 1 tablespoon at a time to get it to that perfect consistency. It lasts up to a week in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys loved it. If you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video and you want to see more recipes like this, I put out 2 new recipes every single week, all vegan, all healthy. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.